It was a very special morning for the nearly 300 students at Richmond's J.B. Fisher Elementary School. Bill and I got to be there for their big surprise, thanks to you and our Give a Child a Book campaign.
Each of you gets 5 free books.
She was screaming. Fisher's Auditorium there. Fisher's Auditorium erupted when the children realized they'd be adding books to their own personal libraries. Thanks to our parent company's foundation, the Scripps Howard Fund, to our viewers and CBS 6 employees, as well as our partners at Renewal by Andersen, we raised just shy of $20,000. That means Fisher, just like Fairfield Court Elementary students, will all get a total of 10 books this year, something these children say they won't forget.
It makes me feel good because we get to books that usually aren't free. We actually get to keep them. It makes me feel really happy because people from outside the schools are donating to us.
I was like, I'm gonna be there, or I'm gonna be there, and I'm gonna pick out so many awesome books, and I'm so excited. They were hyping us up with cheerleaders they brought in, and then they opened the curtains when we were all rallied up to all these book stands.
You know, and this was our 5th book fair, made possible by viewers and everyone that you mentioned, and it just doesn't get old.
No, they are so excited. And those 2 treasures we just heard from there, they just could not be more excited to be holding these valuable jewels in their hands, these books.
Yeah, and it's just so interesting, too, because we get to help them pick out books, just their philosophy and their method of madness for picking out their 5 books. It's so interesting because it's so different for each student.
It really is. They have some great questions. And Zach, we know you go to school.